SharkBite push-fit plumbing solutions are about to make your emergency repairs and system extensions easier with our range of slip couplings and slip tees. Burst pipes, pipe wear and tear, and even accidental damage are now as quick and simple to fix as cut, push, done. Available in sizes 15mm to 22mm, SharkBite slip fittings have an extended body, which allows you to make a pipe repair or system extension without the need for additional fittings or pipework. This is the only solution you'll need to keep on hand for repairing copper or JG Speedfit barrier PEX pipe. Here's how to make a repair in 3 easy steps. Locate the hole or damage in the pipe. Isolate the water if necessary, but remember, as SharkBite doesn't need hot solder or heat, it can be installed in wet conditions for even quicker repairs. Cut, deburr, and mark. Cut the pipe squarely either side of the leak, hole, or damage using a rotary pipe cutter, referring to the SharkBite technical guide for the relevant sizes, and remove the section. Make sure to deburr the end of the pipe. Remove all the debris and sharp edges. Using the appropriate disconnecting clip, mark the insertion depth on both ends of the pipe. Push. Identify the slip end of the fitting, and then push this end onto one of the pipes as far as needed, or until you reach the stop in the fitting. Line up the second pipe with the fitting, and using the appropriate color-coded disconnecting clip or disconnecting tongs on the slip end, slide the coupling back over the second pipe until it reaches the depth mark. Done! The repair is now complete. SharkBite fittings are all demountable and instantly reusable. Follow the same simple steps using SharkBite slip tees to make system extensions in seconds. For more information on the full range of SharkBite fittings, please visit www.rwcsharkbite.eu.